voice-operated sidekick. It will take care of all the food-related activities by planning your weekly meals according to your dietary preferences. Adjusting to the unpredicted events like a spontaneous visit of a vegetarian friend. Organizing your shopping lists. Ordering the grocery delivery. And providing you with easy-to-follow, step-by-step video recipes you can navigate by simple voice commands. Hello Egg brings the joy of home cooking and healthy eating back to you, freeing up 7 hours of your time each week. So you could spend it on something that really matters, your life.
This sleek, fun design will complement any home bar and delight all of your guests. Simply pull the trigger to remove the cork from the bottle. The wine opener will automatically stop once the cork is fully removed. Then push the trigger forward to extract the cork from the barrel of the gun. Be a boss at your next gathering when you whip out the wine gun to open that vintage cab. The Winovations powered wine opener comes with a rechargeable holster. Be trigger happy as it will uncork over 30 bottles on a single charge. Each product comes with a wall charger, adapter, and foil cutter to remove labels quickly and easily. The wine gun comes in 2 different styles, simulated steel and firearm pink.
The Tostino has a stylish stainless steel top cover, which is rust-free and great to look at. Now, don't you just hate it when the bread gets stuck to the grill of your sandwich grill? The Tostino boasts of a non-stick, food-grade Whitford plates. The deeper grooves are perfect for those extra-filled sandwiches you would want to make. And now, you don't have to worry about the content falling off because the Tostino comes with a lock feature which secures all the filling where it should be. It also has an easy-to-read power indicator for power on and preheat function for convenience.
Barbecuing is a national pastime. So too is cleaning the grill. It's messy and requires too much effort. GrillBot is here to clean your grill. GrillBot is an automatic grill cleaning robot. GrillBot is packed with technology under the hood, including a computer brain, 3 powerful engines, and a lithium-ion battery. Cleaning your grill has never been easier. Set the clean time, either 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Power flows directly from the lithium-ion battery to the brain. GrillBot's powerful engines come to life, and GrillBot goes to work. Reaching deep into the grill, GrillBot's powerful brushes remove even the toughest grime, leaving a shiny grill ready for your next barbecue. Those amazing barbecue ribs you serve on special occasions. Those burgers your dad taught you how to make. GrillBot will clean your grill to a spotless shine with no mess and no effort. Forget about those wire brushes that always go flat. GrillBot's quick release brushes are easy to remove and clean.
These individual portions, then pop out the number of servings you need. Take their Burger Master, fill it with ground beef, press on the top, and voila! 8 burger patties in the time it takes to make just one. You don't even have to touch the raw meat with your hands, even if you want to stuff the patties. And this thing is the master of many foods. That's because it is also great for freezing and portioning soups, stews, spaghetti sauce, and even baby food. Just break out individual bricks when you want to cook them up. They pop right out. Return the rest to the freezer for later so you can use just what you want. It cuts down on prep time and lets you enjoy servings anytime. Founders Maya and Greg Lieberman initially came up with the same method of storing cookie dough. They realized that there are far more foods that people would want to shape into individual portions than store for later.
Microwave meals splatter, splash, and spill, forcing you to clean with harsh chemicals, but you still end up scraping and scrubbing. Don't get angry. Now there's Angry Mama, the fast, easy, and natural way to steam away microwave crud in just minutes.
I love Angry Mama. That girl cleans everything.
It's easy. Just add vinegar and water to the fill lines. Place Angry Mama in any microwave where she gets steaming mad. Inside, a powerful non-toxic steam blasts every surface to quickly clean, disinfect, and deodorize. We put her to the test. Stubborn pasta sauce? Not with Angry Mama. It wipes off with ease. Stuck on pizza cheese? With her steaming spout, it comes right out. Greasy bacon splatter? Angry Mama knocks it out every time. The secret? The specially designed head that pressurizes and allows concentrated cleaning steam to escape, melting away crud and grime in no time.
It was always a pain to clean in those tough-to-reach corners, but now with Angry Mama, those areas are spotless.
Our office microwave was disgusting, but thanks to Angry Mama, it now looks and smells new.
Stop scrubbing and spraying chemicals. Now get a natural spotless shine in no time with Angry Mama.